Need the best auto body shop in the Cedar Park, Texas Hudson Bend area? If you are trying to find an auto body repair shop in Cedar Park's Hudson Bend area, you can quit searching. Watch this auto body shop video for Cedar Park, Texas Hudson Bend service, body collision repair. Quote, as a vehicle proprietor, it is your responsibility to look for professional help for auto repair solutions whenever required. This is because the advanced technologies employed in vehicles requires a professionally trained mechanic to correct them if the need occurs, and looking for inexperienced help might do even more harm than good. While we might think that describing a user's manual is all we require to obtain the basics right in our vehicle, it's constantly better to go to a car service center, as one action failed can create chaos over the complete performance of your vehicle. You can obtain certified car service center that it is best to search for a company that has comprehensive experience in this industry, and which has a legacy of customer complete satisfaction. It's constantly better to be safe than sorry when it comes to something as important and expensive as a vehicle. Along with regular maintenance and upkeep, there are several various other solutions that can be carried out by a car service center. The need for car collision repair work is one of the most awful nightmares for any vehicle proprietor. However, with the dependable solutions of professional mechanics coming to you, you can recover your vehicle back to being just as good as brand new, without needing to invest a fortune. You can conserve a great deal of cash by choosing advanced touch-up techniques and rubbing methods with no swirl guarantee, which conserves the need for a repaint. The solution of paintless damage repair work, PDR, found at some car service center is also a fantastic way to obtain ideal vehicle outs. Ensure that the solution is carried out by trained PDR specialists. You can also benefit from a host of additional vehicle repair work solutions depending on your needs, that include indoor and furniture repair work, and windscreen repair work. A professional car service center is one place that you certainly will not be sorry for driving your vehicle right into. Auto body repairs near you for Cedar Park, Texas Hudson Bend. Check out a local auto body shop in the Cedar Park, Texas Hudson Bend area to get your SUV back on the road without delay. This is a page on Auto Body Shop in Cedar Park, Hudson Bend. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.